Welcome to the video auto-importing pictures with the Active Directory integration. It is possible to add pictures for persons within Janus C4, and as pictures are not a mappable field as per the Active Directory mapping file, adding a picture to a person in Janus C4 will not get overwritten or removed when Active Directory syncs to Janus C4. So as an example, you can see that I'm on my Janus C4 server and I've got Janus C4 open, and I'm within Navigation, Administration and Persons. If I select a person, for instance Anthony, you can see at the moment there is no picture for Anthony. What I could do is I could press this orange button to add a picture via a webcam, or I could use the green plus button and I could add a photo from a file. So in this case, I'm going to add this picture for Anthony. If I then go to Navigation and IS connectors, and I right click the IS connector, select commands and then synchronize, you can see that if I go back to Navigation and Persons, once the synchronization has taken place, that Anthony's picture still remains. And this is again because if I go to Navigation and IS connectors, the Janus C4 Active Directory mapping file does not map pictures from within Active Directory to Janus C4. So with that being the case, whenever we synchronize Active Directory, the photo won't get removed. However, if we go to the domain controller hosting Active Directory, and we then select Anthony and we move him to a different department, so say technical support, and we can see Anthony is now within technical support. If we go back to our Janus C4 server and then we right click on the IS connector, we select commands and then synchronize, and just press resolve on the credential synchronization so the controllers know that Anthony has moved. If we go to Navigation and Persons and we drop down technical support and select Anthony, we can see that the picture has now been removed. And if we select this icon here and show archived persons, we can see that Anthony, who has a picture within the training team, has been archived because Anthony has been moved to technical support. So we would then need to select Anthony within technical support, and we would then need to press the green plus and add the picture all over again. Now, I don't want to have to do this each time someone's moved. I want the picture to follow them. So what we can do is we can use the Janus C4 ServerPhoto wizard to take care of that for us. Now, if I just untick Show Archived Users and just drop that back up, I'm going to go back to Navigation and IS connectors, and we're just going to have a look at this Janus C4 AD mapping file. So I've actually got this stored on my server, and you can see that it's here. If I right click this and select Open with Notepad, I'm interested in this field here, optional field for tracking. And you can see that the mapping target within Janus C4 is internal number, and the source from Active Directory is the employee number. Now, the Janus C4 ServerPhoto wizard uses an employee's internal number to automatically import pictures for a user. And you can see again that the internal number within Janus C4 comes from the employee number within Active Directory. So if I close this down and go back to Navigation and Persons, you can see with Anthony selected, the internal number is actually the LDAP path of where Anthony sits within Active Directory. And if we go back to the domain controller hosting Active Directory and just open up Anthony's record and go to Attribute Editor, that is because the employee number has not been set. So if the employee number is left blank, then in Janus C4, because that's a mapped field and it's blank within Active Directory, it will automatically populate information within the internal number field as the LDAP path, again of where the person sits within Active Directory. So what we would actually need to do within Active Directory is we'd need to select the user, again select Attribute Editor, and then scroll to Employee Number, and then we would want to enter an employee number within this field. And in this case, I'm just going to use Anthony's initials and then 01. And then I can press OK. Please note that the employee number and therefore the internal number within Janus C4 needs to be unique. So we need to make sure that nobody else's employee number within Active Directory is AA01. So again, this needs to be unique per person. So I can then press apply and press OK. And then I need to repeat that for each person. So if I select Jamie, attribute editor, and scroll down to employee number, I'm then going to give Jamie an employee number. And again, it needs to be unique and not repeated on anybody else. And then press apply and OK. And I'm going to do it one more time. So Rose King, attribute editor, employee number, and that's going to be RK01. And then press OK, apply and OK. And we would then need to repeat this for each user within Active Directory. So I'm just now going to keep on adding employee numbers, again making sure that they're unique and not repeated for anybody else. Okay, and so once you've finished on the domain controller hosting Active Directory and you've given each user a unique employee number, you can see I'm now back on my Janus C4 server, and I'm just going to go to navigation and IS connectors, and I want to import that information in from Active Directory to Janus C4. So if I right click the Active Directory IS connector, I select commands and then synchronize. I'm just going to press resolve on credential synchronization so all of the Janus Advanced hardware knows about the changes. I'm then going to select navigation and persons. And you can now see on Anthony's record that the internal number has changed from the LDAP path to the employee number from Active Directory. And if I click through each person, you can see that each person has a unique internal number. And I'm now happy with that. And so once that's done, the next thing that we want to do is we want to create a folder that will be used to store the pictures for each user. So I could create a folder on the domain controller and I could share it to the Janus C4 server and use the UNC path. Or I could just create a local folder on the Janus C4 server, which is what I've already done. So if I open File Explorer on my Janus C4 server, you can see that I have a user images folder. And if I open that, I have all of my user images within here. So what I then want to do is select a person's picture, and you can see at the moment I'm on Raquel and her internal number is RY01, and this picture here, Lady 8, is Raquel. So if I change the name of her picture to RY01 and click out of the field and it saves, if I then find Raquel's picture, so it's here, you can see the name of that picture matches the internal number for Raquel. And if I select James, we can see James's internal number is JS01. So I need to find James's picture. I'll use man7. And then I want to make sure that the name of the picture matches James's internal number. And you would then need to keep doing this for each user. So then on Rhea Middleton, I'd then need to go back into File Explorer, select her picture, and then make sure that it matches exactly the internal number for Rhea. And remember, the internal number must be unique and it cannot be repeated on any other person. And so I'm just going to keep doing that. Okay, so I've now finished naming each of my pictures, as you can see here now in the folder. And again, each picture has a unique number, and that number matches the internal number field within Janus C4. Which we've got from the employee number field within Active Directory. So again, you can see Rhea is RM01, and if we come in here, RM01 matches this picture. So I can just close this window. The next thing that we want to do, and within navigation person still on the Janus C4 server, is we want to click on root. We then want to right click, select add using wizard, and then we want to select ServerPhoto. And you can see that will open the Add Using Wizard Server Photo window. What we could then do under Auto Import is we could tick Enabled. And by ticking that, we could set this to automatically sync every single day at a certain time. So Active Directory by default syncs at 2300 hours. This would automatically sync at midnight, and then the controllers automatically sync at 1 in the morning. So if you do want ServerPhoto Wizard to run every single day, please select a time that's relevant to your installation. Now I don't want this to happen, so I'm just going to untick that box. Within directory, we need to either enter the UNC or the local path of the folder that holds the photos. So again, I'm just going to open up my folder that contains the pictures, and I'm then going to click in here, hold Control and press C, and then in my directory, I'm just going to hold Control and press V. So that's the directory of my pictures that I want to use. The external number field here, only tick this if it's going to be the external number that's being used as the unique field within Janus C4. And remember, as per the mapping file, the default is from Active Directory the employee number, and then in Janus C4 it's the internal number. So we're not using the external number, we're using the internal number, so I'm not going to tick this box. And then please leave include subdirectories ticked, and please leave the search pattern as it is. What we then want to do is press next, and you can see that 11 pictures are going to be applied to persons. If I then press next, I can then press finish, and that's it. If I then select Anthony, we can see that there is a picture here for him. The same for Jamie, and the same for each person if I click through them. And then the original example that I showed was moving Anthony from one department to another, and it got rid of his picture, leaving him with no picture. So back on my domain controller, I'm just going to select technical support, and then I'm going to move Anthony back into the training team. And then back within the Janus C4 server, I'm going to go to navigation, IS connectors, and then I'm going to right click commands, and I'm going to synchronize. I'm then going to press resolve on credential synchronization, and back within navigation and persons, we can see that Anthony has moved from technical support and he's now within the training team. And if I select him, we can see that his picture has now moved with him because we've used the Janus C4 server photo wizard. And that is how you auto import pictures with the Active Directory integration.